Hey guys, it's Tim. How y'all been doing? I just said y'all. What the heck? I'm not a cowboy here. Anyways, yeah, it's been so long since I've made a vlog. This is my third one. And it's been like, how long since my last one? Yeah, it's been around 4 months since my last one. My last one was in September. That was for the CJS Entertainment Open auditions. So I don't really have anything to talk about, you know. Well, I do have something to talk about. My sickness, not my album that's coming up. My second mini album titled Memories (parentheses Honest Reason). And yeah, so to all you guys out there that were looking forward to it, or that were looking forward to the music video, I'm sorry if I bursted your bubble. That sounded weird, but yeah. I'm hoping to get it done by April at the latest, because I still need to find an actress, and I'm working. I have finals this week too, so it's gonna be hella hectic. What the freak? Hella hectic? Did I just say hella hectic? It's gonna be hectic. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sick. If you haven't noticed since like the beginning of this video. Okay. Okay. Is there anything else to talk about? I don't know if there's anything to talk. I don't know. Tongue tied. I don't know if there's anything to talk about. What should I talk about? Camera. It's pretty old. Oh yeah. Did I talk about my Vegas trip? No, I did not. I got a new wallet. Vegas trip since like beginning of February. No, oh my gosh. Wait, what? I'm a little late. It was like my last week of winter break. Me and my dad took a trip to Vegas to visit my sister, and my sister bought me a new wallet. I'm sorry. Well, there was a drama show last week, but I wasn't in it because I was a TA. I'm alive, okay, don't worry. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this coffee, dude. Canoe. It's really good. Actually, I don't know if it's really good by itself, but it's really good with sugar and cream. I know you want to see. You want to see the coffee cup that I got, along with the box thing. It's my first official coffee cup. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm going on for too long, so I'm gonna cut it here. Well, it's really great to talk to you guys again. Hopefully, the next time I talk to you guys is when I'm fully recovered. Okay, bye.